Hi there, I welcome you all to the service road of outer ring road of Hyderabad, Telangana state of India. One of the finest states, one of the most developed states, and which is reflected in this beautiful service road of Telangana state of India, connecting Warangal highway to the Nagpur highway. Beautiful greeneries, well maintained, and deep, thick, something like 60 meters and all. The separation between the ring road and the service road is very deep. You can see the deep forest all around. And I am the luckiest person, fortunate, blessed by my Gurudev Dr. Ghatkeshar Reddy, who has given me this, everything what I have. This adventure bike, Suzuki V-Strom, and everything what you can find here. I love Telangana state because I have stayed here more than 40 years. I love everything here, and you see the beauty. This is empty road. Every morning at 7 o'clock I travel through this road. I have already crossed ECIL. Now I am likely to go to Shamirpet, and then I will be reaching Green Health Services, Emergency Management and Research Institutes. And beauty lies here in this bike. Suzuki, thank you very much for giving common people one of the best bike on this globe, launched all over the world. This is V-Strom SX Sports crossover and 250cc only. Efficiency is 40 to 45 because I never apply brake. I have all the idea when to change my gears and read the situations and conditions and circumstances. I always make a halt in between my destination and this area, so beautiful. It is not less than any developed nation on this planet Earth where you can find such empty roads. And I am enjoying this. And full credit goes to my godfather, my support, my everything on this planet Earth, Manravatna Dr. Ghatkeshar Reddy. You see, empty. I have been here for so long time, but do you find any vehicles or any human being? Now you can see one of my friend coming. Just it is so far away from the city that only few neighbors, they are in the village, they can only be willing to come here. But I am the fortunate. I love it, I like it, I stop it and present to you some kind of glimpses of the beauty of the service road connecting Warangal highway to Nagpur highway, and then I will land at Kompally, my destination, Emergency Management Green Health Services, supported by, shared by Honorable Manravatna Dr. Ghatkeshar Reddy, and this is really a wonderful place. Philanthropic man, a great man who loves all, who cares for all, and thanks all for all these kind of blessings which the universe has unfolded to all of us. Thank you, viewers.